one a day again. Oh, a little moment there. Thought there was only one. Oh, feels quite good. Well, that's not right. That's not what I ordered. That's not what I ordered. That's not what's in the photos. I'm not gonna fit this. I think I might reorder the metal ones. I don't know what I'm gonna do, actually. This is just, I don't know. Pays your money, you take your chances, I guess. But I don't see why it had to be a scam or a mistake. But one or both of that has occurred. You saw it here first, folks. Let's go down and see what it's all about. Right, so, I mean, it's probably not really going to be that easy to show you, but this is doggy doo-doo. It's rubber, but so that's where it's at. So what's going to happen, I'm going to get this out of the way, and there's no point me putting this on here. It does line up. If it had the carbon fake whatever, then I might consider it. I didn't really know what this was going to be made out of. I know there's aluminium ones with the rubber, you know, aluminium here with the rubber raised bits. I didn't really know what was going to be on the top. I know someone who got some. I don't think he got them like this because he was happy with his. Anyway, I would of course normally clean the pedals. Well, maybe not of course, but the reason why I'm doing this, and it's not properly fitted, but I'm just looking, is because I originally wanted the aluminium ones for the 3 pedals, well, the 2 pedals and the footrest. And then for some reason I got, these are as rubbish as I thought they were going to be, but I think I've been sent something a bit scammy, and I'll get to the bottom of it, despite my lack of ability to speak Chinese, but we'll sort something out. So I was just wondering, you know, do I want carbon look in there? If all of the carbon ones are just this rubbery thing, then I don't want them. If the stainless ones are, not the stainless, the aluminium ones are aluminium with rubber, you know, like what they are when you get them OEM, then I'll go for that. But, you know, it adds another few weeks to the ordeal. Let's see what I can do to zoom in on that. I knew that this one slid allegedly over the top. This is poodoo. Just seeing what they're gonna. They can't. The pedal, if you look, is like the lip is only tiny. The pedal is almost as wide as the lip. So quite how they think. I mean, weirdly enough, the brake one I think will probably go on better. Yeah. But I don't think the accelerator one's got enough of a lip to go to grab onto. I mean, these are going back, that's no two ways about that. And I'm not even going to disturb the brake pedal by fitting this thing because I don't want it. You know, it's not, to be honest with you, it's not, this isn't too bad. It's just, why would I go out and buy a different pattern rubber? The fake carbon thing is, yeah, it's a bit nasty. And I don't know how it can fit on the pedals. There are some drill ones I don't want to drill in. Anyway, I'm going to have a little drive of it on and see what it feels like, but it's a no from me. It's rubber, and you think, well, but removal is reverse of, well, actually, just to let you know, you can slide off the top, but look, watch this. If I just, yeah, it's going back to China.